Now let's talk about where we can get our custom fonts. So if we go back to our good old friend Google, and if we go over here to the Google fonts, over here you can see that you have way more choices than the one that I showed you in the previous video, right? So here you can pick them, whatever you can see over here that says 848, right? Then over here you can specifically say what kind of font, right? You can have a style over here, right? The choice, right? Then you can have the thickness, then you have the slant, right? So over here you can first of all customize everything, right? Or you can choose over here from this one, right? And one of the most popular ones is these robotos, right? For now. And over here you can see the other ones, right? And how do we actually get them, right? So how do we get the Google font? So what I'm gonna do over here, I'm gonna pick the font that kind of looks, well, funky in a sense, right? So let's do the thickness, right? So I usually like for the projects to pick something like really bold and thick over here, like width to have very thick. So I'm gonna go with this one, right? And the way you do it over here, you just click over here, and this one says, well, one is selected, right? So you go back over here, and you can see that pretty much what we should do, right? Over here it says include this link over here in your style sheet. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna copy this one, and we're gonna go back over here, and right underneath the style sheet, right? I'm gonna make a comment that this is gonna be Google fonts over here, and then I'm going to copy and paste it, right? So this is going to be our fonts. Now the next thing that we should do, right? We're going to go back over here, and you can see that it says over here, right? So font family, right? And over here you can see as well that there's going to be a fallback, right? So we're going to have a copy over here, and we're going to go back, and normally the case is you go to body over here and you copy and paste it, right? So you apply it right away for the whole body, right? Unless you want to go specifically and obviously add it to one paragraph or one heading or something like that, right? But in most cases, all you do is you just get your fonts, whatever you would want, whatever you would pick, get a link over here, and then you just apply this class over here, the same how they are over here specified.